Hey, congratulations on your choice to install BitNinja. Let's see how it's done. Firstly, we will have to log into our machine via a terminal in the control panel, like cpanel or Plesk, or by connecting to our machine via PuTTY, which is also known as SSH. Our second step is to copy the code below and then paste it into our open terminal window and then run it. Thirdly, which is the last step, is to lean back and enjoy our problem-free machine. So, without further ado, let's open PuTTY and see how to log into our machine. So, you can see PuTTY is open now. All we have to do is paste our host IP address, which will change depending on your machine. Also, by default, SSH port is 22. However, most hosting providers will change this. So always consult with your hosting provider if you are unsure about any of these details. Let's click on Open once you have established that you have the right machine and the right port. And then it will ask you to log into the machine. To do that, all you have to do is type in your username and password. So the username and password are given to you by your hosting provider, or if you have set up your own machine, it will be the one that you have used to create the machine. So in my case, it's root, and the password, which I will copy over, is this. Keep in mind that because this is a terminal window, you will be unable to paste with Ctrl and V. So you have to paste with the right click of your mouse. And keep in mind that you will not see that you have pasted anything. You will just have to trust the process and then press enter afterwards. So now that we have pasted everything over, let's make it a little bit bigger. And let's move on to the second step of the installation, which is to copy the code below and then paste it into our open terminal window and run it. So to copy it, you have three choices. You can select the text and Ctrl C and then paste it, or click on this icon or this icon to copy it. So let's just go with this. You can see we have copied the code to the clipboard, open up our terminal window, and also remember you have to paste in with the right click of your mouse. So let's do that. And we have done it, and then press enter. It will ask you if you want to install BitNinja or not. You will have to press yes, and then press enter again. Keep in mind, this process might take some time depending on the size of your machine. And as you can see, BitNinja is installed, and we can proceed to the dashboard.